back, friends. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today we have a new topic to discuss. This is all about communication. So let's quickly take a look at what communication is all about and how is it important, right? So let's ask a question: what is communication all about? What is communication? Okay. So communication is an art. If you ask me, I always say it's an art. It's an ability. It's a behavior, right? It's a behavior where you can express yourself. It's a platform to express yourself. It's a medium where you can express yourself, where you can make others understand what you want to communicate, what you want to tell them, what you want to convey to them, what you want to make them understand, right? So the communication is an art or a behavior or an ability where you can exchange ideas, where you can exchange information, where you can pass messages and interact with each other, right? That's all about communication. And if you ask me a question, is communication important? I would say, of course, absolutely important. It's extremely important. Then if you ask me why, there are a few things I would like to explain why, right, to make you understand why it is important. So let's take example. We just mentioned that communication is an ability, is an art to communicate and pass messages and understand with each other, right? Say for example, if you have a product, where you have to take that product to the market, right, to a group of people or to the public, that means you have to explain what the product is all about. What are the features of the product? How is it going to be useful for the public? How is it useful for the guy who is going to buy it? So that means you have to make sure that they understand why they need to buy this product. That means you have to explain a lot, right? And that means you have to convince them. So this is why communication is extremely important. Having a good product within yourself is not enough. You should also be able to communicate that and express your good product to the outside world. That is where the communication skill is becoming important. And second thing I would like to say why it is important is, let's say for example, if you have a poor communication skill, you have a same product, you have a poor communication skill, you are not able to make people understand, then that means what happens? That means you create misunderstanding, right? The misunderstanding happens. Okay, what happens next? What's the problem of misunderstanding, right? It creates frustration because you can't understand what you guys are trying to say. And if there's a one-to-one communication, if you can't understand each other, then it creates a misunderstanding, it creates frustration. Then what happens? It creates conflicts because of frustration. Then what happens? It brings down your confidence level. It lowers your confidence level. So this is the negative impact of having poor communication skill. That is why we say communication skill is important. As we said, product skill is important. At the same time, communication skill is important to make sure that you express, that you bring out what you want to convey in a quick and effective manner, right? In an accurate and in a quick manner, right? Or else it's going to end up in misunderstanding and frustration. And the next thing that I would like to say is what others need from us is also a cause, right? Of course, we don't live within ourselves. We actually live in a society. So we look at others, what they need from us, and then we develop those skills, right, to survive. So that means we have to look at what the organization needs, what the employers needs from us, right, to make sure that we have a match to a lot of positions that is open or that we are working out for ourselves. So from this perspective, I would like to bring to your notice that there was a survey that was conducted by LinkedIn in 2016 in United States for a lot of employers. The survey was all about, as per the employer, what are the skills that they think the most important. So they have to prioritize from 1 to 10. And believe me guys, the survey results was little surprising that the number one skill that all the employers are seeking from us is the communication skill. All the other skill sets like interpersonal skills, your technical skill sets, your adding your IQs, your value addition skills, everything fell behind communication. Communication was the top ranked skill set that expected from the employers. So you can imagine how important a communication skill is, right? So this is another reason. And also I want to make another point in this opportunity, that there is always a misunderstanding within people about language versus communication. People misunderstand that language is communication. I like to make that clear here today. Language is not communication. Okay? Language is only one aspect of communication. It's only one factor of communication skill. There are a lot of factors of communication skills, right? There are listening, there are writing, there are observation, there is learning, and language is one of the important factor of communication skill. So language is not completely all about. Language is a knowledge. Language is a knowledge. It has a proficiency level. Communication is a skill set, it's an ability, it's a behavior, and it has an expertise level. That's all. And communication has language as one of its important skill, right? It's one of its important factor, right? If you have a good language, it will help you in communicate effectively. It will help you in your communication skill. If you have a low language proficiency, then it's going to make communication difficult. Right? That's the understanding. So don't mistake language versus communications anymore, right? Okay, now what are the different parts of communication skills and how to improve on that, right? That's the next thought process for ourselves, right? For that, watch my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.